What's poppin'? Today I'm back with another video and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve my fluffy braid out. So I'm starting on braids that were previously an old twist that I had maybe 3 days prior. So whenever I'm pulling out my braids, I really take my time going through the ends because that's the most delicate part of your hair. You want to make sure that you don't snag or pull on your hair when you're doing this. And I basically just move my fingers through the braids, and the braids basically just do their own thing. It unravels on its own pretty easily. And I'm gonna just show you again. I take my time going through the ends. You gotta make sure that you pay attention so that you don't pull on any hair. And as you can see, the braids basically start unraveling without much help of me. Well, except for right there. I honestly wish that doing my hair would go by this quickly. And now that we pulled out the braids, this is what we're left with. Hey, get it. So I'm going to gently just separate each piece of hair from the braid. You want to make sure that you don't separate it too much because that's what allows you to get the fluffy look that I'm going for today. So you're basically just going to use your fingers to almost tease your hair. Another thing is to make sure you feel around your head so that you don't miss any pieces of hair that needs to be separated. Yo, I cannot be the only one that gets super tired from doing my hair. Watching this, I'm already like feeling my arms hurt. Pinkies up. Now that we're done drinking, I'm gonna just use my Afro pick to fluff out the roots basically. I don't have to use it too much on the middle or the ends of my hair because that is already pretty fluffy. But if you need to, definitely pick through from the root to the middle to the end to get a nice full shape. And now we have the results. This has to be one of my favorite hairstyles next to an Afro puff because it takes no time for me to get the look that I'm going for. So obviously I'm playing Beyonce, feeling myself in my head because clearly I'm feeling myself, ayy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you next time.